going.
Okay. This dragon came in here and dropped out this big egg. So let's get cracking, Molly. And Molly got 10 points, and I think the dragon came because she got 10 points. So if you're wondering why.
Stay open.
No, not yet. We don't want this stuff to get ruined with the eyeballs. Oh my god. Oh! No way, we can get that later. Here's the dragon's tail. Is there anything else? Oh, this one's.
Molly, are you excited?
Yeah.
You
Okay,
are?
Molly, put your hands over here. You ready? Get set and go. Smush it all out.
What's inside? All right, let her do it for you.
This is a lot of Play-Doh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Molly, you ready to open it?
Open it
All right, can you open it?
with the DreamWorks. So love Play-Doh, love Play-Doh. Here, Molly. Let's go get our favorite girl, Batgirl. Ready? Karate chop. Whoop. Let me try again. Karate chop.
All right, come on, I only have so long on this video.
You can't open it. Like.
Whoa. Molly, what did you get?
A bee.
A what?
Look.
A tree? A palm tree?
Look, she got 3 characters. And this right here. And look, this girl can sit on that. And
I can go sit.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all this Play-Doh.